Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Again, my name is Jared from debaroot.com, and today I have another video which is going to be part of a series. This series is pretty much affiliate marketing, but using free strategies to make commissions. A lot of us don't have the ad spend, don't have the budget to go out and start, our Facebook campaigns or our Instagram ads campaigns, anything like that. So I would just want to show people that it is 100% possible to go out there, do affiliate marketing for free, start making commissions, and then if you want to transition into the paid ads world, then you can do so with the money that you're earning from these free methods. Alright, so today's video is how to use Instagram to sell affiliate products, like products on Maxbounty. And in order to do this, we're going to pretty much build up an Instagram account, fill it with great content, get really relevant and high quality followers who are interested in the content that we post, and then we're pretty much just going to send them over to our affiliate products after we give them a lot of value. So without further ado, I'm going to hop into this document that I created and we will get started. Alright, so I pretty much got 9 steps right here. None of this is hard, it's not hard work at all, but it definitely takes time. When you're using free traffic methods, it just takes a whole lot longer than with paid strategies. And there's nothing wrong with that, but just keep in mind that you're going to have to do this for a month, 2 months, maybe 3 months before you start getting consistent income, every single day. You might get, a commission here or there throughout the first month, but in order to get consistent, you're going to have to go with this for, 2-3 months at least. So let's go right into the first step, which is to pick a niche. This is obvious. Your Instagram account is going to be specific to one kind of thing. I don't really care what you pick. Just pick whatever you're interested in or you think that a lot of other people are interested. But when you pick something, keep in mind these 2 points. So the first point is that you have to make sure that there are big accounts in that niche. This just verifies that there are enough people inside of your niche to actually grow your Instagram account, and then you'll be able to get people from your Instagram account over to your affiliate offers. Second part of this is make sure there is an affiliate product or multiple affiliate products that are related with that niche. You could have a really big audience who's interested in, elephants or lions or some shit like that, but if you don't have an affiliate product that you can sell to those people, then there's absolutely no point in building up that audience. On to step 2, pretty much we just want to take part 1A from before, make sure that there are big accounts in that niche, and just go see what they're doing. So if we want to create our Instagram account around the keto weight loss, then we're going to go and just type in something in Instagram to get us to a page like this. Just from my 30 seconds of scrolling around, I can see that there are a ton of different keto accounts on Instagram. They're all doing pretty well, with 30,000 to 100,000 followers, and this one's actually doing a really great job. Pretty much we want to have a page that's only about keto. We want to have great content in it that is inspiring and looks beautiful like this. And this one's really inspiring. This one looks really cool, looks really delicious. And then what they do is they have a link in their description. And this is probably taking them to either their course or someone else's. Yeah, this is probably an affiliate product right here. So it's just really as simple as that. Only people who are interested in keto are going to come and like this page. They have 30,000 followers, so that's 30,000 people who are interested in keto, and every single day they're going to get people who are clicking on this link and more likely than not purchasing that affiliate product, and they're just pocketing that commission. So I'm not even really going to look at any other ones. I think this is a great model. I think everybody can learn a lot from this page right here. I think that they're probably making a pretty consistent income just from this page alone. So now let's get into, what kind of product would I pick to promote with a page like this, and how would I actually grow that Instagram account. So if we come over here, step 3 is pick a product. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get accepted into an affiliate network. I just have some examples right here. You have ClickBank, Maxbounty, Peerfly. Those are some easy ones to get accepted into. You really, even as a beginner, you won't have any trouble getting accepted into those networks. So for this video, I decided to just go with Maxbounty. No real reason in particular, but I think Maxbounty has a lot of good offers, and especially with keto. Keto is really, it's popping. People love keto. There's definitely good products on Maxbounty that have to do with keto. So when I'm in Maxbounty, all I want to do is just go over from new campaigns over to top campaigns, because these are the ones that are doing the most revenue on the network. So I'm just going to scroll down and hopefully I can find something that has to do with keto. So we got keto weight loss, keto pure, keto fast. Yeah, that's about it. And I'm sure there's plenty of other ones too, but even in the first like 20 offers, 3 of them are keto. So we know that there is tons of interest in this diet. So you can come in here and you can just look at what these offers look like. You can click right here to see the default landing page. You can see all the information that you're going to need with this offer. So you can only do 15 sales per day. Keep that in mind. And then you also want to keep in mind that some offers might only allow certain countries to purchase. So this one only allows Canada, Ireland, UK, and the United States. So when you're on Instagram, it's hard to, stop people from other countries liking your page and clicking on your links. So I probably wouldn't go with this one because only 4 countries are actually allowed to buy it, where I'll actually get the commission. So I don't really want to do this one, but this one is keto pure weight loss. It is worldwide, but it does say you're not allowed to do the United States or United Kingdom. So it's a little bit of a trade-off right there, but you'd have a lot better chance of getting a completed sale with all of these countries, because again, you can't really control who's liking your page. You can't control where they're from. So I would definitely go with an offer like this, or what you could do is inside of your Instagram description, when they click on this link, you could bring them to a page and it says, are you from the United States? Or the United Kingdom, and if they click on that button, then they would go over to the United States or the United Kingdom offer, and otherwise they would go over to this offer, which is the worldwide. So that way you have a chance to sell to anyone, anywhere in the world. I'm not going to go into how to actually set up a page like that because it is optional, but just know that that is a possibility. Okay, so we've picked our product and we will move on to step 4. So step 4 is actually creating the Instagram account. And of course, you're going to want to put your affiliate link in the bio, just like this page right here. Have a nice description with a few emojis, capture that attention, and then provide a link at the bottom or somewhere in your description that takes them over to the affiliate offer. Back over here in step 4, I do have an optional step. Instead of just having that affiliate link go straight to the affiliate offer, you could put a bridge page in between those, which would do something either pre-selling them on what the offer is like, or capturing an email lead so that you can follow up with them and do email marketing. Again, this is kind of an advanced strategy, and you're going to have to end up paying a little bit of money for a software that would do that. So I'm not going to go further into that, but just know, again, that is a possibility, and it is 100% a great way to increase your revenue because you'll be able to follow up with these people for as long as you would like. Moving on to step 5. This is all about the content. Remember, I said that this page, I think, has great content. It has different types of content. It has testimonials of people who have lost a ton of weight with keto. It has recipes. I think this is a recipe. It has different types of foods that you can eat. It has videos. It has beautiful pictures. It has more testimonials. So, I mean, for someone interested in keto, this has everything that they would ever need. And if you don't know what to post, go back to those big accounts, see what they're posting, and then you can start reposting some of the things that they have posted on their page. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So there are apps like Repost over here, repostapp.com. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to go to these pages that have hundreds of thousands of followers and then take the content that they have used and then just repost it on your own. Repurpose that for your own Instagram account. So this ensures that you have relevant and really high quality content that is proven that people already enjoy. So if you're stuck and you can't think of things to post on your own, this is a great place to start. And if you want to create your own content, you can come over to a site like Pixabay. Pixabay has, literally, like it says, stunning free images. They're all free, and they're all really high quality content. So this is a great place to go to get more images. When it comes to posting and how often you should post, just post as much as you can. If you can post 10 things a day, just do it. There's literally no point in not doing it. Remember, with free traffic, you gotta put in the time. So if you can post 10 pictures every single day, you're just gonna give yourself the best chance at success possible. So if you have the time, go ahead and do it. There's really no reason not to. And think about it. If you post 10 times every day for 2 months, then it's like 600 posts. That's 600 opportunities for you to reach a huge audience, and you're just gonna give yourself the best chance for success. So if you can do it, do it. Honestly, posting 10 things a day takes like an hour. So if you don't have an hour every day, then, I can't really help you. Step 6 is all about hashtags. Hashtags aren't super important. I feel like people overcomplicate hashtags a little bit too much. Just pretty much go to those big pages that I was telling you about before and see what kind of hashtags they're using, and just either use the same exact hashtags that they're using or come up with ones on your own and just use the same set of hashtags for every single post. Really, you can't go wrong with this. Step 7, again, is optional, but you can use automation to speed things up. So I have a tool here called Jarvie, and pretty much what this does is it's a follow bot. So it goes out and you can select a big account in your niche, and you can have the bot go and follow people in that niche, like their photos, and engage with them. And then in return, a good chunk of those people are going to follow you back. I mean, people say that this doesn't work, but I mean, it does. I tried this out on a random account that I made, and as you can see, I did this for like 2 days, followed 200 people, and almost 40 people followed me back. That's pretty good. I mean, it's almost 25% or 20%, and I mean, it takes no time. You set it up once and it runs forever. You do have to pay for it. I think it's like $10 a month, so really not bad at all. So if you're interested in speeding up the process, you still have to post all your content yourself, but this can just help speed up the process of getting followers. However, if you don't want to pay for it, then you're going to have to engage with people in your niche yourself. You're going to have to do it manually. So instead of a bot going and doing it, you're just going to go over to pages like this. You're going to look at people who are commenting on it. So come over here, look at the people who are commenting, and then you're going to either reply to them, or you're going to like their reply. You're going to go follow them, and eventually some of these people are going to follow you back. Look, just by the way, this is a person who says, how do I join the 28-day challenge? And you probably have to pay for that. So that's literally someone asking how they can pay to buy this person's affiliate program. So if you think this doesn't work, I mean, literally there's a person going to buy something right here. So that's the strategy on that. That's going to take a lot more time. Again, you could probably just block out an hour of your day going through these posts and interacting with the people that comment on it. And the reason you want to interact with those people is because they are the most engaged. They are actually taking time out of their day to comment on this person's post, so they're really interested in the content, and then you know that you can get these people over to your page as well. The last thing I really have to say about this is just give value to your followers. If you do value first, then they're going to be almost obliged to click on your links. They're not going to have any problem with you asking something of them in the future. So just give as much value up front as you possibly can. Give them great content that they want to engage with, and then eventually you can ask for something in return. So one thing that this page could potentially do is, yeah, they have a lot of great content here, but what if, once every 15 posts or something like that, they said something about the 28-day challenge that they have up here? That would be redirecting these people up to click the link in their bio. Right now, this page isn't really telling their followers what to do, and trust me, these people need to be told what to do, otherwise they're never going to do it. So that would be my advice. Once every 15 to 20 posts, definitely don't spam it or anything like that. 15 to 20 posts, then just do a little call to action that tells them about the affiliate product, that tells them about this 28-day challenge, and then directs them over to your link, and you're going to get a lot more engagement that way. All right, that is all I have for you today. So like I said, this is a great way to make at least $100 a day if you put in the work for, say, 2 to 3 months, posting every single day, great content. Then this is a fantastic way to get started with affiliate marketing for free. So if you like the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe for more content just like this. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.